This is a USB Nugget. It is a little dev board that has ESP32 S2 soldered onto the back. We've got some buttons, a nice little LED and a lovely screen. And when you plug it into your computer, it will power on and it loads up this nice little file system that is on the ESP32. Inside this file system, it kind of acts like folders here. We've got 4 different folders: starred, Mac, Linux, and Windows. If we go into the Mac one, we can see there's another example folder, and you can see we're sort of going through the directory here. We've got a little txt script that has basically keystrokes stored inside it, and when we press run, it's going to go through those keystrokes just as though it were a keyboard. Your computer thinks this is a keyboard plugged in, so it's not going to know anything weird is going on. So we're going to press this one to run the script. I've got my screen recording going, so we'll see what happens here. Let's run it. You can see it opens up Spotlight, opens up Terminal, and before we know it, it's opened up YouTube, and it is doing a lot of crazy stuff. But it played the YouTube video for us. So you can imagine that anything you can do on a keyboard, you can sort of script into this. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of kind of crazy stuff you can do. Obviously, more than just prank things, you could use this to go in and quickly set up a reverse shell to your computer. You could use it to go in and perhaps steal some passwords for Wi-Fi or something like that. The idea of this is that when you plug it in, it's going to execute those commands so quickly that before whoever's computer it is realizes what's going on, it's already too late. So anyway, I think there's definitely a lot more you can do with this. This is just the predefined sort of example ones. Yeah, for now, if you want to check this out, the links are in the description to the GitHub repo for the USB Nugget stuff. But as I say, you can just flash it from the Nugget dev site. You don't need to go and download the code if you don't want to. That's just if you want to have a look at how it all works. If you want to get a USB Nugget, you can go to the Redia website and get yourself a dev kit where you can get all of the parts and you can solder one of these yourself. Or I think they do sell pre-made ones of these as well, which is very cool. If you just want to try this out and all you have is the microcontroller, which is the cheapest part of this probably, it's like £5 for one of these if you order it from AliExpress. You can actually run the USB Nugget software just on the board. You don't need any of this other stuff. And the USB Nugget software creates a Wi-Fi access point. So you can connect over Wi-Fi to this and run your scripts that way. So you don't even need to have the screen and the buttons if you don't want to, if you just want to try it out. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Next time, as I say, we'll maybe go into more detail on one of these. But for now, I'll chat to you again soon, guys. Bye-bye.